everyone, and welcome to Jack and Cat Adventures. Today we're going to be making chicken and noodles, and it's easy. This is a really quick meal to get you out the door if you need to go, okay? So in a heavy bottomed pot, we're going to put 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm going to melt that. I have a rotisserie chicken that I shredded. Okay, we're going to melt this butter. You're going to need a half of a chopped onion, 2 cloves of garlic chopped, or however much you want. You're going to need a can of either cream of mushroom or cream of chicken. And you're going to need 2 cups or a little bit more of chicken stock and half a cup of heavy cream. For my noodles, it calls for egg noodles, but I'm using the miniature lasagna noodles in mine, okay? Everything gets cooked in one pan, so it makes it really easy. Okay, so now my butter is melting. I'm going to add my onions. We're going to saute these till they become soft. About 4 to 5 minutes maybe. Just getting that butter all mixed into my onions. We'll turn it down a little bit. Remember, when you have these heavy bottom pots, they heat and hold the heat. So you might need to turn it down a little bit so that the onions don't burn. Okay, I'm just going to cook these until they're translucent. Alright, once your onions are soft, we're going to add our garlic. And we're going to cook this for about 30 seconds or until I start to smell it. Now be careful, you don't want to burn garlic. Just kind of get it heated through. Now we're going to add a half a cup of heavy cream. I'm going to take it off the heat for right now. 2 cups of chicken broth or stock.
Chicken juice.
Pour that in. This cream of mushroom. Alright, now we're going to bring this up to a boil. Going to stir it. Alright, once it comes up to a boil, you're going to add your noodles and you're going to cook them till they're al dente, anywhere between 8 and 10 minutes. If you see that the liquid is reducing too quickly with the noodles in here, turn down your heat. You don't want that juice to boil out before your noodles are done. While your noodles are cooking, stir them frequently, and if it looks like your juice or liquid is boiling down too low, you can add more chicken broth or heavy cream. I added a little bit more chicken broth to mine only because it wasn't even covering my noodles. Alright, once your noodles are done, you're going to add your chicken in, and you're just going to cook this until the chicken is heated through, and that's it. I did end up adding the rest of my chicken broth to this, and just a little bit, probably 2 tablespoons of heavy cream that I had left. And I added a can of cream of chicken soup too. It just seemed like it needed more creaminess So I just added it. Jack says it's delicious.
It is.
So I'm just heating this through, and then it's ready to serve. So please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And remember, you do you.